Good morning, sir, and my all fellow classmates. Myself, Priyojit Kumar Bera. Today we are going to present an environmental topic. The topic of our presentation is impact of COVID-19 pandemic on the environment. Please turn over. Presented by Priyojit Kumar Bera, roll number 15, and Ujjal Layak, roll number 10. Here is our content of the topic. Introduction. What is COVID-19? COVID-19 can be characterized as a pandemic. This is due to the rapid increase in the number of cases outside China over the past 2 years that has affected a growing number of countries. Here, CO stands for corona, VI for virus, and D for disease, and 19 for year 2019. The COVID-19 virus is a new virus linked to the same family of viruses as severe acute respiratory syndrome, means short form is SARS, and some types of common cold. The virus associated with the outbreak originating in Wuhan, China, has been designated severe acute respiratory syndrome, coronavirus 2. This disease caused by that virus is now officially called COVID-19. The configuration of coronavirus is below. Please turn over. Now, effect on industry. Here I am going to explain the COVID-19 effect on industry. We know that industries have been taken 180-degree turn during lockdown. Key segment of manufacturing had shutting down in response to the lockdown orders issued by the respective governments. The impact of coronavirus on India's construction industry is costing an estimate rupees 30,000 crore every day. This pandemic will reduce investment in construction industry by 13 to 30%, which will probably affect gross value of added and employment. Second point is hotel industry. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, the world's economy was shut down almost overnight. The pandemic has confronted the hospitality industry with new challenge strategies to threaten the COVID-19 curve, such as community lockdowns, social distancing, stay-at-home orders. So travel and mobility restrictions have resulted in temporary closure of many hospitality business and significantly decrease for the business. Dif- Next is impact on medical industry. India to spend higher amount on healthcare and about 2.5% of GDP to rebuild the existing healthcare system and improve hospital bed density. And here is the flow chart of effect on the medical industry, like medical device equipment, diagnostic, pharmaceutical, etc. Decrease in travel. Decrease in travel is with entire population ordered to stay home, school, office, and factories limited their activities, road traffic dwindled to a minimum. According to the UNWTO, means United Nations World Tourism Organization, international tourist arrivals fell by 72% in January to October 2020 over the same period last year. International tourism expected to decline over 70% in 2020, which is back to levels of 30 years ago. According to IEA Global Average, road transport activity fell to 50% of the 2019 level by end of March 2020. Here is the graphs on traffic flows in the selected cities. Some graphs. Mm, please turn over. Now, impact in air quality. Due to the coronavirus outbreaks, impact on the travel and industry, many regions and planets as a whole experienced a drop in air pollution. Air quality improved largely because of a reduction in factory and road traffic emission on CO2, NOx, ozone, and particulate matter formation. Oil consumption was down 18% year in March 2020. According to an analysis by the Environment Study finds that Indian CO2 emissions fell 15% in March and are likely to have fallen by 30% in April. Please, here is some graphs of air qualities. Please turn over. Now, impact on water quality. As the majority of industry have reduced activities, the water consumption of industrial sector has decreased to about 20 to 30%. The resulted in improvement water quality with the increase in dissolved oxygen and reduced nitrate concentration. During the lockdown, the most policy, the Ganges in is one of Indian holiest and also most polluted rivers has seen a significant improvement in water quality during the coronavirus lockdown. In this slide means here is some graphs of water pre-lockdown and during lockdown. Impacts on wildlife and habits. Nature and wildlife has replenished itself during lockdown. At the Bombay Natural History Society, there has been a 25% increase in flamingo migration since 2019. The fish blooms will increase due to sharp decline in fishing. In the USA, the vehicle collisions with animals such as deer, bear, mountain lions fell by 58% during March and April. Marine animals may also start roaming more freely and the vast ocean. Now, the second part will explain my friend Ujjwal life. So, Ujjwal, carry on.
Thank you, Priyojit. The first part of the presentation has explained by Priyojit Kumar Bra, and I will explain the rest. My topic is the impact on vegetation. As plants are growing better because there is cleaner air and water, and because yet again there is no human interference with everything at a standstill. Plants are allowed to thrive and grow and produce more coverage and oxygen. And the next is reduction in environmental noise. Environmental noise is defined as an unwanted sound that could be generated by industrial, commercial activities, the transit of engine vehicles, and melodies at high volume. And the second is although a significant reduction in the noise level was observed during lockdown, except for commercial zone, all other monitoring situations had reported sound level quite higher than the recommended noise limit set by the Central Pollution Control Board. Here is the impact on energy demand. During lockdown, all industrial activities were partially stopped or fully stopped. So demand for energy globally has fallen dramatically. The International Energy Agency, that is IEA, says that the world would use 6% less energy in 2020, equivalent to losing the entire energy demand of India. The oil industry has ground to a halt as demand has slumped, and 1.5% of the total power in US is consumed by data centers annually. And here is the energy United States. 1.5 of the total power in US is consumed by data centers annually, and other South Korea 30% increase in online gaming activity. And the next is negative impact on COVID-19 pandemic on environment. Not all the environmental consequences of the crisis have been positive. There are many negative effects. That volume of unrecyclable waste have risen, and maintenance and monitoring of natural ecosystem have been temporarily halted. Absence of environmental protection workers has resulted in a rise of illegal deforestation, fishing, and wildlife hunting. Local waste problems have emerged as many municipalities have suspended their recycling activities over fear of virus spread. And next, increase the waste generation. Organic waste generated by households has increased due to surge in demand for online shopping and home delivery. Plastic packaging has increased in popularity during the coronavirus pandemic. In the US, reusable bags have been banned in many states. The increase in single-use plastic will have long-term impact on the environment. And there has been increased medical waste like PPE kits, own masks and gloves, and empty hand sanitizer bottles. Here is the study of COVID-19 related biomedical waste generation in India. The most vital impact on COVID-19 is impact of education. Though schools are closed, students are attending their classes during lockdown through online mode. Though it is a good thing happening, on the other side, there are lots of students who did not resources to attend the online classes suffer a lot. Teachers who are all experts in blackboard, chalk, book, and classroom technique are really new to the digital technique, but they all cannot adopt with online mode. There are students in India who come to school just because they can get food. The Great Midday Meal Scheme has helped many children who could not bring their food from the home to get their nutrition. Because of the closure of the schools, many students were suffering from not having enough food for their survival. Most of the school-going children involved in child labor to support their families. This pandemic has not only affected the students, but also the low-budget institution and school, resulting in close down the same. Online education increases screen time and its impact on our health. We can say that online education is not a real education. It is just a drama. Issues and challenges. There are some issues, and we have to take some challenges to save our environmental from the COVID-19. That first is decreasing greenhouse gas concentration during a short period is not a sustainable way to clean up our environment. Second, For a significant decline, there should be a long-term structure change in country's economy. Third, the economies have become very weak and they are supporting the therefore supporting the fight against climate change is going to be very difficult. Now is the time to realize the importance of sustainable development. And here is the attention must be given to threats on the environment and natural resources as a result of the coronavirus pandemic. Need for environmental action where economies reopen. In order to successfully avert such a crisis in future, we have to respect nature and biodiversity. Government should also make development policies keeping in mind the environmental challenges. And here is the conclusion. The reduced pollution levels and replenished wildlife are silver lining amidst the COVID-19 crisis. It is an eye-opener for mankind, but this has come at a major humanitarian cost, taking a toll on both human life and the economy. Many of the environmental challenges caused by the coronavirus crisis will gradually resolve on their own once the crisis comes to an end and the previous level of economic activity resume. Here is the acknowledgement. Thank you to all.